developments tonight. CBS 4 has obtained the records confirming an Indiana doctor followed state law when performing an abortion on a 10-year-old rape victim from Ohio. Now, despite what those records show, Attorney General Todd Rokita is still pursuing an investigation tonight into the doctor's actions. And tonight, that doctor's attorney has promised legal action against Rokita. It's a story that's gained national attention in the debate over abortion rights. Here's a timeline of the case as it stands right now. The 10-year-old story was first reported by the Indianapolis Star. The girl lives in Ohio, but came to Indiana for an abortion because of Ohio's more restrictive abortion law. This man, Gershon Fuentes, has confessed to raping the girl on at least 2 occasions and is being held tonight on a $2 million bond. Newly obtained records show the girl came to University Hospital here in Indianapolis, where the abortion was performed by Dr. Caitlin Bernard after she was approached by an Ohio child abuse doctor. The abortion was performed on June 30th, just more than 6 weeks into the child's pregnancy and just outside the time limit permitted under a new Ohio law. Last night, Attorney General Rokita appeared on a Fox News program and questioned whether Dr. Bernard properly reported the abortion as required according to Indiana law. He cited no evidence for his claim against the doctor.
Then we have this abortion activist acting as a doctor with a history of failing to report. So we're gathering the information, we're gathering the evidence as we speak, and we're going to fight this to the end, including looking at her licensure if she failed to report.
Well, since that interview last night, CBS 4 has now obtained the state documents. These state documents showing a terminated pregnancy report was indeed filed by Dr. Bernard to the state health department on July 2nd, well within the time period required for reporting an abortion under state law. After the release of that document, Dr. Bernard's attorney provided CBS 4 a statement saying, "My client, Dr. Caitlin Bernard, took every appropriate and proper action in accordance with the law and both her medical and ethical training as a physician. She followed all relevant policies, procedures, and regulations in this case. She has not violated any law, including patient privacy laws, and she has not been disciplined by her employer. We are considering legal action against those who have smeared my client, including Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita, and know that the facts will all come out in due time."
Attorney General Rokita also released a statement earlier tonight following the document release, saying, "As we stated, we are gathering evidence from multiple sources and agencies related to these allegations. Our legal review of it remains open." Earlier today, the Attorney General also asked the governor to investigate this case. Abortion is still legal in Indiana until 22 weeks into the pregnancy. Remember, the General Assembly will meet in special session later this month, where they will debate any changes to Indiana law in the aftermath of overturning Roe versus Wade. We will continue to follow the latest developments in this case on air and online. For more of the timeline on this case, click on this story at CBS4Indy.com.